Carrier AC Infinity #24ANB748A00310.
When did you last replace the air filter for your Carrier air conditioner? Are the air vents unblocked?
Air filter has been replaced regularly. Fins are clean.
How long has this been going on with your Carrier air conditioner? What have you tried so far?
Error code 72 thermal cutout high stage and error code 82 thermal lockout in high stage. Started end of last season. Will hold after AC power reset, running now.
Is there anything else the HVAC Tech should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
Nothing I can think of, thanks.
Hello, thank you for using JustAnswer. My name will likely get a pop for a phone call, but that is computer generated and not from me. I am unable to call, but if you would like a call I can opt out. I am looking at your question now and will respond shortly. Billy. Hello, the end result is the unit is not cooling the refrigerant enough. Whether the fins are plugged between where you cannot see, fan or in top slows down. The pressure builds until it trips a high pressure device. The best action is to have gauges put on and check the pressure as it is running. A good acid coil clean will also clear the tiny channels between fins. You cannot judge the fins visually as the coil is thick and traps dust and debris deep in the coil.
Okay. Now it's code 82 thermal lockout in high stage. We'll run 15 minutes then stop. I cleaned the final with high pressure water earlier. Not a lot of dirt. I'll have a tech come out. Just wanted to make sure it's not a board failing.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.